Want to play Fortnite with LEGO skins? Here's how to unlock and use them fast. First, head to the main menu and switch your game mode to LEGO Fortnite. It's a survival crafting mode made just for LEGO skins. Next, go to your locker. If you own a compatible outfit, you'll see a LEGO version available. Just click on the character tab and look at all of the LEGO compatible outfits that you have. Not all skins work just yet, but Epic is adding more. Now, launch LEGO Fortnite. Your skin automatically changes into the LEGO form into that mode only. Don't see any LEGO skins? Try unlocking or buying supported skins from the item shop or battle pass. And that's it. Jump into LEGO Fortnite, craft your world, and show off your brick built style. Like and follow for more quick Fortnite tips, and see you next time.